The judgings now, the time. Okay. First judge is Hazel K. M. Gatdura.
Nadamay ako din.
Ayaw matanggal. It's sticky, but yummy. Oh. What? Wait, wait. Go away. The judge is game. Comment, please.
It's good.
Okay. Judge, Mr. Dennis Bengo.
Let's take this. You know, my first sight pa lang nakita ko yung presentation ng food mo, it's rock and roll, oh. Talaga naman, kalat na kalat. It's delicious. Excellent. Magnifico. Fluorescent.
That's first. And the last judge, Mrs. Estelle Bengo. Kaya tsaka pakakamay rin pala.
This is heavenly.
Hindi natin pinicturan.
Bata, nagluto.
Dapat picturean natin. Napakaganda yan, no? Napakaganda dish.
Saan yung isang galing yung binili nyo?